Hello everyone, very good evening. Most of you have sent me the design of water tank, which is great. Now we are going to proceed with the rest of the part what we were doing in steel designing. Okay, so for that I'll start with the previous model only. Okay, there is a question from lot of you that why I have done the meshing in one part of a water tank but not other three. Okay, just we'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Okay, so we'll start. Most of you have joined. Last time I have done this. So what we have left with, the first thing what we need to do right now is that we have to first of all put the supports and then we have to put the a bit of load. Load we have already provided, so we'll just start with supports. We'll go to general. We'll go to supports. Create new supports. Pick supports. I'll go to assign. With the help of cursor assign, I'll assign to all the supports. Okay, now for the basics, I'm going to tell you a tool in which you can check if the property of a member is missing. So you go to select by missing attribute. It is how we are going to select the members which are not defined with any property. Either it is so these in the middle members and this plate has not been assigned to any property. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to properties, thickness. We are going to define the thickness of a steel to be like 5 mm. Add and add this steel thickness to all my view. Then apart from this, I have angle section IS 6565. If I look my model from the top view, I can see these cross sections and I can assign them also. Now again, if I go to isometric view, I'll go to select, missing attribute, elasticity, only these members are missing. So I'll go to column properties, again select my missing attributes and assign to these also. Now I am not left with any of these attributes which are have missing properties. Okay, now what I'm going to do, now for this instance I'm going to start with analysis. I'll go to analysis, no print, add. After doing the analysis print, I'll go to loading part once more and see if the combinations are correct. Okay, my combinations are well enough, and I'll go to analysis. See, there is a difference between analysis and design. I have told you in the first class only. So I'm just doing analysis right now. After analysis, I just want you to take you to the processing mode. Okay, post processing mode I'll go. Okay, now you can see these are like deflections are there in plates and all those nodes. Summary, if you go, you'll have all of it. But what I wanted to show you is about the plate analysis. I'll go to plates. It is asking for load case for which you want to see the plate reactions. I'll go with combinations. Stress type, maximum absolute stress type. Okay, it is filling that maximum stress on a plate is around 283. It will be like Newton per mm square. Okay, this is a unit of pressure. You can see it. Enhanced phase, normal fill, you can do anything. I am just going with normal fill. or enhanced fill, you can go any and apply. Can you see this? What you can see in this model? Now I'll ask a question for everyone. What does this model means? Okay, I'll rotate it also for you. What does it show? See, here is purple color. Purple is 3.19 Newton per mm square, and brown also, and blue also, and light blue also, till here 134 Newton per mm square. But if we are putting the load at the all the parts which is same, why only this part which has mesh? You can see clearly this part only has mesh is being the result of like 302 Newton per mm square at the center. Why? I just wanted to know the answer of why. I have given homework to all of you to read about FEM analysis. So now Vivekanand, please unmute yourself and tell me why it is red and rest everything is purple and blue. Why there is so much difference? It's the difference of like double. Vivekanand, unmute yourself.
Sir, because there is maximum stress at the center of that plate, sir.
Yeah, maximum stress is coming at the center of the plate. But why the same stress is not in this plate and another other 2-3 plates? Why it is only in this plate? My question is this.
So, because that plate is divided into number of small finite small plates, and
FEM analysis.
because of
Have you read about FEM analysis?
a little bit, sir, but I didn't understand that much. So
Okay, no problem. I'll ask somebody else now. You can mute yourself.
yes.
Shivam. Shivam, please tell me.
So in FEM, I read the basic definitions, like I read the basic concept in which
No problem.
any structure is divided into many segments, or which is having the same characteristic as of the main structure. So it is like a simulation of any ground structure that we can do, and like we don't use any prototype or something. We'll just do all the analysis in the software, in which it will show some real effects which can be seen on the ground on any structure.
Okay. Okay, that's a definition, like a harsh definition what we get in Google. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to. Acha, what will happen if I create this more finer? Means I'll divide these plates more. What will happen? Prerna, tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me what will happen if I divide these plates more. Prerna, you can unmute yourself. Okay, sir, I can't talk, sir. Maybe the stress taken will reduce. Very nice. Stress will reduce. Okay. Prem, tell me what will happen if I divide these plates more? Prem, unmute yourself.
Yes, so stress per unit area will be more finely divided. So I guess the color contrast will change accordingly.
Seriously, don't tell me about in the sense of color contrast. Tell me about in the sense of the stress.
Well, yes,
Stress
so
will
stresses will also reduce.
stress will reduce. Okay, good. Rishikesh Kosh. Rishikesh Kosh. Okay, tell me please what will happen.
So the area of impact or it will increase.
What will increase? Area of impact?
Yes, of the load. Where the load is acting, the surface area will increase. If we
Okay.
divide it
Okay.
into number.
So the stress will increase or decrease?
So stress will decrease if you increase the number of.
Okay, great, great, great. Very good, very good. Prerna, sorry, Ankita. Ankita, is your throat well now? If you could speak, please tell me. Okay, Akshay, Ankita could not speak. Akshay, video stuck, no audio. If no one could tell me about like what will happen, few of you have told me that it will reduce. So what I'll do? Okay, somebody raise hand. Great, Prem Singh. Yes, Prem, please tell me. Unmute yourself. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, Prem.
Yes, sir. So, sir, stress is force per unit area, and if you divide the plate into more number of finer plates, the stress will be same, but the area will be reduced. So there will be more stress on an element.
So the stress will increase or decrease?
It will increase, sir.
Very nice. कहाँ से पढ़ा? जल्दी बताओ कहाँ से पढ़ा गूगल में से?
अभी सोचा सर, खुद बैठ के तसल्ली से सोचा कि हाँ अगर एरिया बढ़ रहा है तो यानी स्ट्रेस ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, बिकॉज स्ट्रेस इज फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया.
Very nice. This is logical thinking you all have to do. Okay. अब मैं इस प्लेट को डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा. I am dividing this plate. I'll go to geometry, plate mesh, modulator. Instead of 10-10, I am dividing it into 20-20 parts. Okay. Won't look great, but yeah. Done. Divided. Now I'll do again the analysis. Now we'll see what will happen to the stress. Okay, what is the aggregate size of in M25 concrete? Who can tell me? Like those who know, just write it. Okay. I'll go to plates. Combined stresses, maximum, absolute, enhance. I'll go apply. Now, can you see this? Now it was previously 302, I think. What I remember, 302. Now it is 327. The stress of like 20 units has been increased. Okay, stress will be reduced because water head From top level surface will be reduced hydrostatically pressure. Oh no, Shubhankar, galat bol rahe ho. The water, once the water reduce the maximum, we are going to check the load for maximum. Okay, if you are practicing for cricket, okay, so are you going to practice for the like a lowest spinner only, or the medium pacer? You're going to practice for the pacer who is the best in the industry. So like the same, we are going to practice our structure design for the maximum load. So if you see this, now you can see the stress has been increased. Here this is orange. If I rotate it, this is orange and this is red at the middle and the corners. Can you see this? As much we do it a fine in a finer way, the stress will increase. Okay, but there is a stagnation point. जहां पर जाके stress ज्यादा ना increase होगा ना decrease होगा, it will run in a range of plus minus 10 Newton per meter square. So we don't have to go till that level, but yeah, we should have the average, because already the loads what we are putting, it has been multiplied by 1.5 factor. Okay, suppose in the combination, this combination load, it is already 1.5 factor. If I go to my modeling, again to my load, and in this combination what I am having, this combination, if I edit this load to like only one factor, nothing, I'm not going to change anything, the factor has been changed, means whatever the load has been put it on the model, it will be as actual, not increased. With increasing the factor of safety, I'll do the analysis. You can see the stress levels. Can you see these stress apply? Now what is the maximum stress level what I'm getting? Can you see this? It is 218. So it was like 100 Newton meter, which is like it is a 50% extra near this maximum. Previously it was 327 because of the factor of safety. So we need not to be very fine tuned. Okay, means up 20 divisions की जगह you don't have to do 50 divisions. It will be like a less than the size of an aggregate in your concrete. So we have to be optimized. Okay, if you are going for FEM analysis, we should keep our member size to be like 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter or 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter, which is very nominal. Okay, any doubt with this? Anyone? Just raise hand if you got it clear, if you understand it properly. Only Prem understood it. Satyendra, okay. Priyadarshan, okay. What about Akshay, Ankita, Harukesh, Prerna? What about you, Shubhankar, Vivekanand, Shivam? You don't understand it? Okay. Put down your hands. Now we are going to work with designing. Who said no, sir? Please tell me. I'll make you understand again. Vivekanand, you don't understand it?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you understand Hindi, Vivekanand?
हाँ, yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, विवेकानंद क्या होता है कि हम जब भी अब कभी भी एनालिसिस करते हैं ना, अच्छा आपको एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. आप कुकिंग जानते हो विवेकानंद?
हाँ sir.
Okay, great. So while frying a potato, हम अगर आलू को फ्राई करें, अगर मैं पूरा साबुत आलू डाल दूंगा तो कितनी देर में पक जाएगा?
कितना 10 मिनट से 5 मिनट से
5 मिनट. वेरी नाइस. और अगर मैं वही आलू को 20 पीसेस में करके डालूं तो कितनी देर में पक जाएगा?
10 मिनट.
It will take less time. Vivekanand, surface area will be increased. Surface contact ज्यादा होगा तो जल्दी पकेगा, लेट पकेगा? बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. मैं इंटरव्यू लूंगा ना तो फिर ओके, सो दैट इज द सेम सिनेरियो. आपके पास जितने ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स होंगे, यहाँ पर, उतना ज्यादा आपका बेटर एनालिसिस होगा. सेम फंडा है.
हाँ यस सर.
ओके,
ओके
जितना
ओके.
ज्यादा
यस
एलिमेंट
सर.
आप एलिमेंट्स को आप ब्रेक करोगे, उतना फंडा है, वो सेम है. अब आप ऐसा तो नहीं तो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पूरे 4 साल की एक ही बार में पढ़ लेते, नहीं ना. यू ब्रेक इट.
Yes sir.
Design of steel structure
Yes.
1, design of steel structure 2, to understand it, to analyze it better. So software do the same. अगर आप उसको मेंबर को ब्रेक करोगे तो उसे अच्छी तरह एनालाइज करेगा, उसे कम ब्रेक करोगे तो कम एनालाइज करेगा, उसे सिंगल रखोगे तो उससे भी कम एनालाइज करेगा. Got it? This is the same fundamental
Yes.
FEM analysis. So
Yes sir.
FEM
Yes.
analysis क्या होता है? FEM analysis, read about it in this Google. The finite element method is the most widely used method for solving problem for engineering and mathematical models. Typically, problem area of interest include the traditional field of structure analysis. And this structure analysis doesn't mean building structure, steel structure. It can be any. गाड़ी का structure भी हो सकता है वो. Okay, can you see this? This is a buckle. Okay, heat transfer. See, structure analysis, heat transfer, fluid flow, mass transportation. Everything you can do. Okay, somebody have raised hand. Okay, wait, you can put down your hand if you got it. Anybody else जिसको नहीं समझ आया? Anybody who didn't understand it? I'll explain it once more. विवेकानंद म्यूट कर लो. Anybody? If everyone understand it now, then I'll ask question. Rajeshwari. Okay. Unmute yourself and tell me what is the minimum size I should take for the FEM analysis? How much minimize or how much division should I make for element? Rajeshwari. Pridarshan, you can also tell me. Ranjita BR, you can also tell me. Please tell me. Any one of you. Unmute yourself and tell me. Prerna, you tell me please. किसी को नहीं आता क्या? Have you understand it properly? Prerna, Priyadarshan, Rajeshwari, just raise hand if you understand it. Am I audible to all? Priyadarshan, if you understand it, then tell me what will happen. What is the like a size of an element for the division I should do?
Size of aggregate, whatever it will be.
No,
That
it
size
should
we will
not
take
be.
for plate meshing.
No. It should not be very small. We should keep it the FEM analysis for 10 by 10 centimeters at least, not less than this, or not more than 500 by 500 mm, or you can say 50 by 50 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay, Shubhankar has asked a question, sir. Number of elements, number gets increased, then the stress over that whole element will get reduced. No, stress will be increased. Better analysis we can do. Better surface area, better contact ratio will be there. Better division is there. You can do better. Okay. So we have to keep it optimized. Now we'll work with design. I'll go to modeling part. Now how we are going to work with design? See, in design part, you have to work in design. Click on design. Select your code. First select your material here. Steel, concrete, timber. We are going to work with steel and concrete only. Select your material steel. Then select your code. I'm going to select IS 800. IS 800. And then select parameters. Okay, parameters are the steel parameters, like what is the strength of a steel, Fy value, what you called it. So in steel parameters or steel design, there are so many things. You can keep all of them, and like you need not to like define all of them. It will be automatically defined according to codes. But if there is a special consideration for it, you just go to define it also. Suppose I'll take it main allowable L by R in compression 180. Sometimes it is I think 230 also. Okay, what is L by R ratio? Anybody? Okay, then weld. Okay, design of weld. Weld for closed sections, weld for open sections. I am asking for weld for closed sections. Okay, there is L by R ratio, slenderness ratio, very nice. Okay, these things I can define it myself. T main, allowable L by in tension. It is like length upon, I think 25 or something was there. I forgot it. So these things I can mention it. Okay, performance, perform design at the end of those locations specified in the section command. Perform design at end of 1/12 section location along the member. Now what it is? Okay, according to code we have to divide our section, steel section, into 12 parts, and according to all the analysis of all the 12 parts will be done. So it is that. So if there is some special consideration, we can keep it, or otherwise we'll just close. We'll go to commands. In commands we have commands like code check. Code check, what it will do? Code check will do is your member is passing or failing. I'll go to click on code check and add. Then fixed group and groups, you just leave it. It is not necessary to put the groups and make groups. Go to member takeoff. Member takeoff will give you the accumulated or total volume of your steel what you are using in your structure. So I'll go with member takeoff, add. Then there is option called select and select optimize. Select, I'll use select first. I'll go to use select first and add. Select optimize and takeoff, I'll take it afterwards because this takeoff will be for the select optimize. I'll go close. After defining these will be implanted in your model. Okay, now आपको क्या करना है? Now you have to assign these parameters or codes to your model. I'll go to code check. I want to do the code check of all my members. Steel member takeoff for all my members assigned to view. Select, I want to use for all my view. Now what is code check? Code check will tell you the member is passing or failing. It will just simply tell you this member is pass or fail. What is the utility ratio? Then steel member takeoff will tell you the volume of total steel what you have used, and select will tell you if you are using some member which is like failing or which is over optimized. Means agar suppose a member is only need to have like a need to take 10 kgs of load, but we have put a member which can withstand 100 kg. Means अगर मैंने कोई member लगा दिया जो 100 kgs तक का लोड ले सकता है, but हमें सिर्फ उसे sustain करने 10 kgs के लिए, तो that is over design. We need not to do over design. So select will do that for you. Okay, to check according to your utility ratio, which should be according to our Indian standard 0.8, around 0.8. Now I'll go to analysis again, run analysis, and it will do the design. The design will be checked in my report file. Okay, now I'll go to my output file. Now I'll just go to my results, design, steel design. Can you see this? We have applied code check to check the member is passing or failing. This is pass. Pass. Utility ratios, you can check it. Okay, which is 0.026. Might be it is failing. Can you see this? This is failing. The utility ratio is 1.02, means it is like used 2% extra from its strength. All of them are failing in compression. So just remember, these are your cross section members, angle sections, which are failing. Now this is your angle section which is failing. All your angle section are failing. But what should me tell me? What will tell design will do the stat on the basis of select command. आपने जो select command use करी थी here, you have used a select command. This select command will recommend you a member. Which member will be good for your design? So what I'll do, I'll go again to my output file. This is what steel check it has done. I'll just my cross members which are all failed in compression. Okay. Design takeoff for my member, it is 68 kilonewton, which is around 680 kgs. Now I'll go with steel design for the select. Okay. Stat pro member selection means stat pro is telling you, sir, your member are failing. Instead of those members, which member you should use? Can you see this? It is telling, sir, use member 770. It will pass. Or other members are also they are telling like 770 into 5. Then maybe if you increase some loads, you will have like more members. Here also you can see 770. So these will be passing. But what stat will in another way it will do, it will also select those members for you. Can you see this? 770 into 5 will be available to you here. You just select this, select Control G, select your cross beams, highlight them and assign 775. Then it is so simple from start. Then analyze them again. Then I'll go to output file once again and show you. First the code check will run. Now all of these are passing. Member number 33 pass. If you go to steel design, it is also recommended. I have to use this. Now in this same, you have one command in design which is I have told you about use data, which is select optimize. Okay, in your output file here, I'll close this. Here you have seen the steel design have been only run once because of select. When I select use the command select optimize, if I close this and whenever I use the command select optimize, it will not do the analysis once, it will do it multiple times. See, select optimize section size for all member user procedure consisting of multiple cycles, means it will do the analysis multiple times for to be better of the analysis, as will be iteration on the section. Means वो सिर्फ एक बार सेक्शन को टेस्ट नहीं करेगा. मींस अगर क्या होता है, अगर मेरा स्टार्ट में 65/65 फेल होता है तो इट विल चेक फॉर 70/70 which will okay pass, okay it will be there. But in select optimize it will not just do 770, it will check 770, it will also check 80/80, 85/80, all these afterwards. After about 3 iterations it will do. So I'll go with add, and the volume of this select optimize will be given to this to me in take off the next command. I'll go add. I'll assign to my view all of them, and then again do the analysis. Now you will see you will have like 2 or 3 steel analysis or steel design commands in your output file. Now you check it. Instead of one steel design, we have 3 to 4 commands. Okay. Now previously what we have provided, it was 66 kilonewton. Now the select optimize what computer has done, it is 41, which is like nearly 20 kilonewton, which is 200 kgs less steel. Means less steel means less cost effective. So you have to do effective design. So that is what we can take. हमने अगर कोई ओवर डिजाइन भी करा था तो it will reduce. It is asking me to please select ISLB 75 instead of whatever you have used. So these recommendation will be also provided by start. Okay, ratios will be available to you here. These are all the utility ratios. Any doubt with this, anyone? This is what your steel design will look like. Any doubt, anyone? Just raise hand if you don't understand. If you understand this completely, please raise hands, because from tomorrow we are going to work with concrete design, not steel. Any doubt, anyone? Akshay, any doubt? Ankita, Rukesh, Prem, Prerna, Priyadarshan, Raj Rajeshwari, Ranjita, Satyendra, Shivam, Shubhankar, Vivekanand. Any doubt? Anybody have any doubt? Please let me know. Okay, if nobody have any doubt, so we'll finish our sessions here. For the steel design for tomorrow, we'll work with concrete design. Do this analysis by your own and check it. Okay, if it is working fine or not. Still, maybe we can have doubts class tomorrow so that we can finish our steel design completely and work with concrete design day after tomorrow. Okay, if you want, we can have doubt class tomorrow. Okay, everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt, any one of you? Okay, there is a doubt from Shubhankar and Raj Rajeshwari. Raj Rajeshwari asking, sir, can you repeat the brief again? Raj Rajeshwari, I'll recommend you just go through the video once more. If there is a doubt, I'll repeat all of it tomorrow. Shubhankar, what? Suppose one of your member is failing. If I go to output file, this is your output file. Click on it. Suppose a member is failing from your side. Okay, this member IS 150 is failing, which is member number 44. What you have to do, it is failing in compression. You have to find out IS 44, which is ISMB 150. I'll go to my member list, geometry. I'll find my member number 44. This member, this beam is failing. Okay, if I go back to my, you can say, output report, in first analysis they are telling me it is failing, member number 44. But in third analysis, if I go, it will also recommend me, instead of ISMB, use ISSC 100. It will pass. Or in second analysis, it will also tell me. Every analysis, it is telling me ISSC 100. So what I'll do, the ISSC 100 section will be automatically uploaded for me. I'll go to ISSC 100. You will find it in this list. Or maybe we'll take ISSC 120. Number 44, ISSC 120 will select, and then add to selected view. After selecting it, assigning it to this, I'll go with the analysis and run analysis again, and then check my member number 44 is passing or failing. Priyadarsan, yes, you have to generate mesh for every plate. Like load is same, so if you generate for one plate also, the stress will be same. Plate won't be designed. Plate stress design will be done with the department, steel department. What thickness of plate we should use for the stress of you can say 300 Newton per mm. Now you go to result, check in design member number 44. It is pass. Can you see this? So this is your also how you need to also work. Same you can do for the other members, fail members. It is failing by 1.4 compression. Okay. Any doubt? Anybody else have? Okay, then I'll take a leave now. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your patience, and we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. We'll have first doubt class, and then we'll start with concrete design if we spare some time tomorrow, or maybe then we'll continue with concrete designing the day after tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. If you have any doubt or query, you can WhatsApp me also.